Moved houses and need to update your address for shipping and billing with Klarna? In this video, I'll show you exactly where to change your address in the app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Keeping your address current ensures your orders are delivered correctly and your billing information is accurate. Open the Klarna app and go to your account or profile. Look for Personal Information or Settings. Find the Address section. Here you can edit your existing shipping and billing address. Enter your new street address, city, and postal code. Save the changes. This new address will typically be used as the default for future purchases, but always double-check at checkout. A crucial pro tip: changing your address in the settings may not automatically update it for existing, open purchases. If you have an order that hasn't shipped yet, contact the retailer directly to update the shipping address, as they are the ones handling the fulfillment. And just like that, your packages and statements will find you at your new home. Changing your address is a simple but vital task after a move. What's the most annoying thing about updating your address after a move? Dealing with apps, banks, or something else? Tell us below. For your records, subscribe for our next video on how to download Klarna statements. Thanks for watching.